What's Toys here, y'all? It's another Pokemon to open it, and they're gonna be opening it up. Scarlet and Violet, Lascivian Flames. See, can we get that Charizard? I can get into the thing. It'll be nice. Alright, y'all. There goes the QR code, and here we go. See if we get anything. Anything worth anything. I need it. Yep. Need it. Reverse. Another reverse. And did we get anything? No, we didn't get anything. And it was metal. Well, y'all, with nothing out in there, but maybe next time there will be. If you like what you see, subscribe to my channel, please. Woods Toys out of here.